Hi again, welcome back for the second Kickstarter. In 2018, my Kickstarter backers enabled me to do something I'd wanted to do for 30 years, and that was to create my version of the Checkmate 1500 case. In this one, we called it the Plus. This case allowed you to fit inside it an Amiga 500, an Amiga 600, Amiga 1200, but on top of that, Micro ITX and Mini ITX motherboards. However, I feel it is time to have a smaller case, a more compact unit, so that we can build much neater systems, and with your support we can create this. So this time I'm focusing on the Mini ITX format, which is a much smaller footprint device. As you can see, these are smaller than the existing cases. In fact, they're slightly narrower than the original Amiga 3000, which is what they are inspired by. You can build yourself a fantastic retro machine based on the Raspberry Pi, or one of the great FPGA systems out there. To do this, we've created Mini ITX fitting kits for the Raspberry Pi 4, also for the Mister, which is basically a DE10 Nano, but also a fine product called the Amiga, which is Amiga ITX. So these three products are coming out straight away after the Kickstarter, and you'll be able to add them to your system or just buy the case. Hopefully one day there'll be a Mini ITX Vampire. But if there isn't, we'll build a fitting kit so you can take the existing standalones and put them into this case. As before, we're keeping the production quality as high as possible. These are still steel frame cases, powder coated to make them look good, and also injection moulding on the front. We're also sharing components with the old case, so we only need to raise the money for the main panel at the front. That has reduced the amount of funds we're looking for, which hopefully means that we can get this out easier. This time we've listened to what people have said, and not everyone wants the fancy packaging and all the extras. So we're doing a basic pack, and you'll see in the rewards section there's a basic package. That is the complete case with everything you see with the screw kits, but an electronic manual and plain brown packaging. But there's also a deluxe version. The deluxe version has this packaging. It has the printed manual. It has a few extra components in there that'll be really useful. So it's a step up. I hope that the two different systems will help. Some people we have people buy 2 cases, 3 cases. So maybe you can buy 2 basic ones and one with the fancy packaging. We're trying to help as much as we can to bring the cost down for you. Finally, I want to thank all my previous Kickstarter backers. You made all of this happen. But also I want to thank my patrons, because my patrons have funded all of the FPGA, all of the converter kits, and allowed me to buy all these parts in so I can experiment multiple keyboards, so I can do mechanical keyboard. And I hope that you'll join us and become the next round of Kickstarter backers. And if you do, you'll have my gratitude, and I appreciate it. Thank you very much.